Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Zoom freezing during meeting. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, check your internet connection. A weak connection is the most common cause of Zoom freezing. You can run a quick internet speed online to check your connection strength. If your internet is unstable, try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router. Also, make sure you're using the latest version of Zoom. Open up the App Store, then search for Zoom, and then tap onto it. If it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Also close unnecessary application. Background app can eat up bandwidth and system resources. So close anything you're not using, web browser, file sharing tool, or any other apps. After that, restart your device. Sometimes the simplest fix works the best. So restart your mobile device or computer to clear any temporary issues and then rejoin Zoom meeting. A fresh restart can often fix problems like freezing instantly. And that's it. That is how you can fix Zoom freezing issues. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.